Hi, my name is Oscar Hernandez, and I'm the chef at Tacombi here at the Empire State Building. Fish tacos are found everywhere in Mexico. Taqueros, the guys that make the tacos, are actually like rock stars. You go there and you have to know the guy because there's always like a bunch of people trying to get their attention. We can find a big variety of fish tacos. In the south, mostly they are like grilled or seared. North, they fry them. Here at Tacombi, we're featuring two different type of recipes. So the first one is the Baja fish taco, and then we also have another recipe that is called tikin. So we're taking two different recipes, like from one stream of the country to the other one. The way that we make your Baja fish taco here in Tacombi, you need to have an amazing tortilla. We bring the corn, we cook it. Once we have the corn cooked and the skin is breaking down, then we grind it, we make a masa, and then we start producing our tortillas. On our Baja fish, we're using Alaskan cut, then we portion it. The batter, we use Mexican beer, and it comes out really crispy and delicious. Then we create this cabbage mixture with like escabeches, where it's basically like pickled vegetables, like carrots, cauliflower, jalapeno. And then we create a poblano pepper mayo, which gives like a creamy texture. And that's basically it. The pescado tikin, we're using rockfish, and that comes from Florida. Tikin, which is a technique used by the Mayans. And basically we wrap the fish in banana leaf with different spices, and then we sear it. We use spices like Mexican oregano, roasted garlic, roasted tomatoes, roasted habaneros, some onions. We blend it all together and we come up with this marinade. That fish, we also use a little bit of the cabbage dough that we have, and then we top it up with roasted poblanos and roasted onions, lime on the side. That's a little bit spicier than our crispy fish. I think the taco scene, the Mexican restaurant scene in New York City, it's developing really well. I mean, people is putting a lot of energy and not just creating something new, but more like to go back to the roots and bring back all those recipes. Having Tacombi and the Empire State Building means a lot. At this point now, we're able to share the love for Mexican food with a lot more people. This is the most iconic building in the world, and being able to be here is the greatest thing that can happen for our company.